In recent years, coconut water has become a very trendy beverage. It is tasty, refreshing, and also happens to be a good for you. What is more, it is loaded with several important nutrients, including minerals that most people do not get enough of. 1. Good source of several nutrients. Kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for a future notification, and like the video, share and comment the video. Coconut water is found in young coconuts and good source of fiber, vitamin C and several important minerals. Coconut water forms naturally in the fruit and contains 94% of water and very little fat. As the coconut matures, some of the juice remains in liquid form while the rest ripen into solid white flesh known as a coconut meat. 2. Have antioxidant properties. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced in your cells during metabolism. Their production increases in response to stress or injury. When there are too many free radicals, your body enters a state of oxidative stress which can damage your cells and increase disease risk. Coconut water contains antioxidants that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. 3. Benefits against diabetes. Research has shown that coconut water can lower blood sugar levels and improve other health markers in diabetes. Studies on diabetic suggest that coconut water may improve blood sugar control. It is also a good source of magnesium, which may increase insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. 4. Prevent kidney stones. Drinking enough fluid is important for kidney stone prevention. Although plain water is a great choice, one study suggests that coconut water may be even better. Kidney stones form when calcium, oxalate, and other compounds combine to form crystals in your urine. These can then form stones. However, some people are more susceptible to developing them than others. Early research suggests that water from coconuts may prevent kidney stones by reducing crystals and stone formation. 5. Support heart health. Drinking coconut water can help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing levels of cholesterol and triglycerides. Additionally, coconut water can improve systolic blood pressure. The beverage is also rich in potassium, which lowers blood pressure, and it has been found to increase antithrombotic activity, preventing the formation of blood clots. 6. Hydrates effectively. Coconut water is a great beverage, especially post your workout session. That is because this drink can restore hydration and replenish electrolytes lost during exercise. These electrolytes maintaining proper fluid balance in the body and carry out other important roles. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe the channel.